What I'm doing is, I seen Aaliyah J. This was like a video from way back when. She used a bronzer, not this one in particular, but she used a bronzer to use as like where people do their concealer. So this is the cap, and then I'm just doing the same thing to the actual wig. I was like, I'm doing this on TikTok, and I can also do it for YouTube. But whatever I do on TikTok, it goes on YouTube, like in my shorts. But I wanted to do like an actual video. I haven't done an actual video, and I like to talk, so when I want to. So I'm just putting this all over the cap and the wig cap. And then this has a elastic strap in the back. I have, oh no, okay. Ooh, hold on. Which, I mean, it'll help if you have a bronzer. If you don't have a bronzer out and you already have like your supplies already at the house, don't go out and buy a bronzer. Just use what you have at home. But I had bronzer, and she said, you know, things about bronzer. This just helps me not have to use like my concealers that I use for my face. Y'all, that is a pretty good blend, if I don't say so myself. So I'm gonna get my glue ready. Put it around. You put it in front of your edges. Don't put it on your edges, please, you guys. Please, please, please. So today we're gonna use Bold Hold. I don't normally use Bold Hold. I am an Erica J girl, but I'm low on it right now, and I really want to try this other one. So I feel like there's no need for me to get Erica's, so I'm going to try this other girl's. I follow her on Snapchat, and she's from my family's hometown. So I was like, and she's having a Black Friday sale. I'm thinking it's going to be like $18. I'm pretty sure with shipping and stuff, it's just going to take it back to the original price. But it is what it is. I do want to try it out. I want to give it the benefit of the doubt. And then I am going to test it against Erica J's. Because Erica J is, so far right now, she's beat a lot of these like smaller brands. I like this one. I really do enjoy this one, the Esha. But she's beat this one. And then the original one, I like that one better than the watermelon one. The watermelon one just has the smell. But when it comes down to actual products and stuff, I would prefer the original, like the green packages without the watermelon. But yeah, I'm going to do 2 to 3 layers of this, and then we're going to apply the wig. All right, so I've applied the wig. I just did that part on TikTok. Sorry. It's going to be a short. So if you want to see like a little snippet and not the whole video, you can just go to my shorts. I did put too much glue on this part, so I got to get that off. But I'm just taking out the baby hairs that I already made on this unit. I still gotta do my edges, and I still have to, what do you call it? Pick out my outfit. I haven't picked out what I'm wearing. I'm just going with my sister, so I might really just go casual, because only reason why I'm trying to be is the movie starts at 6:30, but I'm trying to be down there at the theater by 6, and it's maybe like 30 minutes from my house. But I want to stop and get some food. Okay. I need to take the alcohol and go around these areas. But for the most part, it's straight. I'm going to take this off, the little stuff here with some alcohol. And I'm going to try to go around this area with some alcohol. And then I'll be back to show y'all when I do my edges. So I'm going to spray. Ooh. So with that, I'm going to spray that, which should keep them down. Well, I put my elastic band on. So while my elastic band is on, I'm going to put my outfit on. Because doing my actual Doing my edges shouldn't take that long. Now, when I did this last week, babe, no issues. Now I want to have issues because I got audience. I got an audience, and now it wants to act like it didn't do right last week. Now you want to act like this one hair, bro, wants to be a part of the show so bad. This one hair, hold on. This one piece of hair want to be a part of the action so bad. These hairs be so stubborn on these wigs. Love it, because then you know that they ain't just going to fall out whenever. But I'm just like, don't be so stubborn. Okay. I feel like I got it to the best that it's going to get. Now let's do this side. So you'll put it here, and I push out and push, like, go in a circular motion. But like, I just push it out. And then if you want, I'm gonna do this just to show y'all kind of what you can do. If you don't want to do the curve on your own, you just hold the tip and push it back. Of course, you have to perfect it. Like, you have to get it how you want it. I don't want mine's that. Do I want? Now, here we go. Going back to this one. I'm finna mess this one up because I need for them to look. Okay. Now you want to act right. All right. So, I don't want a big one. I don't need it to go all the way down to my eyebrows. I just want my hair to know, hey, we just want to do a little swoop. Just a little one. That might work. That might be the one. I don't see how people get their edges to look the same every single time they do their hair. Like, I feel like you have to do it so many times to get it like to look the exact same. But this is what our edges are looking like for tonight. And I'm just going to take some. You can use Got To Be. You can use a spray. This is RS wig gel. I'm just going to put it at the root on both of them. And then as I get dressed, I'm going to spray my hair again. So I'm going to put it back up into its... Ooh, okay. I'm going to put it back up into the pen. Alexa, what time is it?
It's 4:53 p.m.
Yeah, everybody's trying to go. Everybody's trying to go. So, boom, boom. And I'm going to take some more of this just to put like right there at the edge. Right there at the front. And right there. Just to make sure that's down. Because there was some pieces I was wanting to like come up. Y'all, look at the blip. So with this one, I'm not going to tie it tight because I don't want it to do too much. So I'm going to use the actual Velcro. When I did the first one, Velcro. When I did the first one, I didn't use the Velcro. I just tied it like real tight. And that just really gets it in. Sometimes you can't wait for it to dry. I'm going to let mine dry as I sit and do my outfit. But I'm going to come back when I have my outfit. We're going to go see the Hunger Games. So, I got to come back. But yeah. Y'all see that? Don't mind clothes. But y'all see that? So, follow those steps. And I will catch y'all in the next video.
I am going to sleep with the bonnet on my head and a scarf over my edges because we need to. Hunger Games, I'm going to give it a 9 out of 10. It's 9 out of 10. Yeah, my lashes are growing and we're here for it. But yeah, this is the wig. I just love this wig. I really do. But I'll catch y'all in my next video.